My name is Dr. Ayush Dubey, and I am a consultant neurologist in the city of Bhopal. And today, I'm going to tell you a very important aspect about a very common disease that is known as epilepsy. Now, epilepsy and seizures, these are common symptoms which we often come across in certain patients, and we should know certain things about these. Seizures, what are seizures? Seizures are generally electrical discharges which happen in the brain. And when two or more unprovoked seizures happen in some patients, it is known as epilepsy, which is a disease. Now, whenever there is a tendency to have two or more seizures, it is known as epilepsy. Now, there are few symptoms of epilepsy, like the patient can have uprolling of eyes, patient can have jitteriness or involuntary movements of his limbs. There can be clenching of teeth, there can be tongue bite, and there can be incontinence. That is passage of urine. And so this is generally known as a fit or a conversion in the general language. So whenever these episodes of seizures or conversions occur in the patient, we get a doubt that this can be a disease of epilepsy. So for epilepsy is not a very dreadful condition as thought about in certain sections of society. Epilepsy, if managed properly and if it is diagnosed properly, can lead to a very fruitful and effective lifestyle. So generally, there are a lot of misconceptions about epilepsy, like the people cannot marry, or people cannot participate in normal activities, or they cannot interact with other people, which is all false. Patient can lead a very normal life. One should be able to get it diagnosed in the proper time. So whenever there are any such symptoms of epilepsy, one should always show or consult to a neurologist and should get adequate medicines at time done. And there are few investigations also in the form of CT scan or MRI which should be done timely to diagnose this type of epilepsy. Now there are various types of epilepsy. One can only have sudden blankness for some time. One can have episodes like I told you for some time. One can have sudden facial flickering for one side for some time. So these are all various episodes or various types of seizures. So one should consult a neurologist and undergo certain scans. And there are n number of medicines which are available these days in market. And when started on these medicines, patient can have adequate and sufficient control of his or her seizures so that they can lead a normal lifestyle. Having epilepsy cannot prevent from getting married. Having epilepsy cannot prevent someone from getting good education and coming to higher positions like even CEOs, engineers, and doctors. So, when adequately treated, when adequately diagnosed timely, this can all lead to good control of seizures. So, my message to society would be if you find someone who's getting epilepsy or who's getting fits, one should not panic. One should not show too much of stress. We should get it diagnosed and start on certain medicines. And there are also few surgeries which are done nowadays so that patient can have a seizure free or conversion free, fit free life and can lead and can enjoy his life as normal as others. Thank you very much.